Hello everyone, it's Tyler at John Miller Garden Machinery. New season, new products. This is the Stihl HLA 140 long reach hedge cutter. It is the first long reach hedge cutter in the AS range, which is the smallest battery range, as you'll see here. You may have seen these before. Anyone who's got products like HSA 26, the little sucketeers, GTA 26 pruner, you'll have these batteries in your garage, in your shed, in your workstations, and it fits this machine. The thing that's brilliant about it is, one, it's ridiculously light. It's 3.5 kilos, set, it's 2 meters, a bit taller than me. It goes up to 2.6, which is, you know, it's decent. I'll demonstrate that now. Just undo that. Look at that. Just do him up. And just like that, we've got some proper length on that. And then do that up. So there's nothing hugely unique about it, but it's a really good little machine. It's really lightweight. It's 3.5 kilos without the battery, but the battery doesn't weigh a lot. You'll get up to 40 minutes on the trigger, which is a long time to be cutting a hedge, especially with these little batteries. You know, it's got an 18-inch blade, 22mm tooth spacing. It's a brilliant little bit of kit. But for someone who's already got these batteries at home, it's a brilliant thing to pick up for the new season. If you need to get your hedges cut, you can do it on a budget. You haven't got to go blowing it on one of these humongous, expensive machines, especially if you're already in the battery range. So, we'll have a little look at the blades. So, firstly, it articulates. You can go backwards, try and get these awkward angles going, angle towards you. You can go all the way to 70 degrees, not quite 90, but that's decent. And what we'll do now is have a little look at the blade speed. So, quite simple, trigger in and on. There we go. So, it's only available as a tool only, so still with their battery range coming into the new year, all their new products, they're not selling it as the kits with the batteries and chargers. But in this particular range, as of today, you can get a battery and charger for under £100. If you're looking at this video in a couple of years' time, don't take that literally. But yeah, so really reasonable. You can get your hedges cut without breaking the bank, and it's a good quality product. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.